Hey everyone, we've got a brand new long motor here. This is what we keep in stock for the Prado and the Hilux 1KD at the Bendigo Prado Hospital Engine Replacement Hospital, and a few other works here and there. Just stay tuned if you want to know more info, and you'll put all the bits and pieces together like I used to say. This is just one more piece of that million-piece jigsaw puzzle. What are we up to now? Only 1,000 or two pieces of the million-piece jigsaw puzzle. We've got a long way to go. Anyway, I'm going to hurry up and get this engine stripped down. Brand new engine. I'm going to pull some of it apart, have a look around, do some checks, get a bit crazy and put it back together. Have a look at that inside a brand new long motor. That's how clean they are when they're new, people. You can see the oil's in there. The sump is not full, they drain the sump, but the engine has been run. They do test run these engines, of course. Quality, quality, quality all the way. Brand new, no mistakes. No, oh mate, I've got a rebuild, oh, I've got an oil leak, do you reckon you know what it might be? Oh mate, oh, I've got a rebuild, but it's blowing smoke still, do you know what it might be? And it goes on. Oh mate, I've got a rebuild and I've got a cracked piston again at only 80,000 Ks. Would you? Oh, I've just got a remap, you know, is that okay? Oh, really? Okay, look how clean that is, just beautiful, isn't it? Okay, there it is, yes. Before I did the other short section of video, I should have put the caps on the injectors, but it was only an extra length of the video, 1 minute, whatever it was, so happy days. I like the screw, we've got some screw caps there, but I don't know what happened. There's only 4 in that container I went to, but anyway, long story short, I'll put the genuine caps on, happy days. Brand new injectors, they have been used, so they'll be a little bit cheaper, so they'll be available for someone probably in the VIP group first, but stay tuned, subscribe, turn the bell on, and make sure you got your notifications on if you are a VIP in our Facebook 4x4 Diesel VIP group, clients only, because they will come up cheap. Now, the reason we're doing this is we're putting a different set of injectors in for a client, okay, new motor, but with his injectors. They've only done 10,000 Ks, something like that, a bit more, but happy days. And we've got to clean all these ports, make sure they're Mickey Mouse still. We're going to clean the oil off this head, the little bit of residue, not much there. You can have a look at the factory dobs of RTV. They've gone a bit heavy on this one, but 1, 2, 3, 4. That's factory, right? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not smother it all around the whole bloody place and all across the front. It's meant to be 4 little dobs. Can you see in the corner there? It just needs to take up that little imperfection down in that corner there. It doesn't even need this much. So I'll put the tiniest little amount there because that's all it needs by the proper procedure. Bada bing. Let's get on with it. In our videos, what we like to do is show the evidence because, you know, I'll say things like, you know, brand new long motors, they've actually run the engine. The engine is run and tested. And people will go, oh, no, they don't. They argue and everything. But what you got to understand about me, on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook groups, if I say something, then that's what it is because I've seen it, I know it, I've got the experience with it. Not trying to be arrogant or anything, but it is actual fact. That's what it is. Sometimes it's an opinion, and an opinion built up from hundreds or thousands of experiences, but it's still just an opinion and you're entitled to yours. But on this one, you're not entitled to an opinion. It's a fact. As you can see on these nozzles, they're not shiny new. You can see the combustion. The engines have been run. Yep, all 4 injectors. There's your evidence right there. If anybody wants to dispute that fact, then just copy the link to this video and send it. And bada bing, bada boom, these injectors will go to somebody a little bit cheaper than usual. So you know what? Might not even have a separate post of this. It's for people that watch these videos. Send me a text message on Monday morning at 7:30 a.m. if you're going to buy an injector kit anyway and you're just hoping to save, you know, a couple $100. These are as good as brand new. It's up to you. Happy days. They've got the normal warranty, all that sort of thing. They've done whatever bench test Toyota do in Japan, Thailand, whatever, wherever that engine was put together, the final, whatever. These would be Thailand injectors, like all the current new stock at the moment. Generally made in Thailand, which we don't have an issue with. We've said that before. Bada bing, I'll get on with this job and get these other injectors back into the engine. This is not how to install injectors. Install injectors, no, that's in other videos. It's just trying to say everything's loose, finger tight, lubricated with oil. New gaskets here, they are single use only. I'll show you why. I always said, same as the Toyota, correct, genuine workshop manual information, that these are single use only. I've never really said my reasons why. My reasons are not necessarily the same as the manufacturer or the engineers, but you can quite easily see that it's a very soft material. I believe they are copper with a coating over them, because they do squash down like copper. I don't know how well the camera's going to focus, but I'll try and get it. We've got a bit of a light problem here, you know. Bit of reflection light going on, but there's quite a bit of crush there. And of course, this is inside the engine. It's not high pressure. There you go, there's a good one. It's not high pressure, but if you get a leak in there, you got an internal fuel leak. It's going to fill up your engine oil. You're going to start blowing smoke. We've had plenty of people that have gone to other places to get their injectors done, trusted the people with a reputation that was supposedly good, but I don't know if they reused these, forgot to tighten them up, or what's happened. They need to be talked to specification. That's what we're about to do now on the engine. So they're single use only. They are expensive little suckers, about 15 bucks each. It's a big rip-off scheme, because you can get the bigger one for a couple of bucks and the smaller ones are dearer. But anyway, as much as it's tempting to reuse them because it's a brand new engine, it's only been used once and that sort of thing, there's no way you can cut corners, even new engine, old engine, anything. Single use only, or it's just risk it for the biscuit and poor man pays twice. There it is, job done. Next customer, please. Bada bing, bada boom. Subscribe, turn the bell on, catch on the next one for people. See ya. Hope you learnt something. Hit the like button if you did. Bada bing. I don't know what else I didn't include in this video, but it's in other videos. Check them out. See ya.